in El Alto, Bolivia. A package of menstrual pads costs the same that food for one day for a person. With limited resources, which one would you think a young girl would choose? Well, yes, you're not wrong. Food is the choice. But what about menstrual health? This is a dilemma that a lot of girls in El Alto face every month, added to the stigma for this taboo topic that at the same time is the reason for truancy. El Alto is the youngest city of Bolivia and one of the most populated, with more than 1 million of inhabitants, which more than a half are women. Most of the population is among 10 and 25 years old. 1 in every 3 does not have their basic needs satisfied, and nearly 1 in 20 lives in extreme poverty. With these conditions, it is difficult to think that women and girls have resources to get these products. How long do you think someone spends menstruating over their lifetime? According to UNFPA, we could easily spend 3 to 8 years menstruating, during which we might face menstruation-related exclusion, neglect, or discrimination. Menstruation is an inequality factor, and this micro-project wants to contribute to minimize this inequality gap. What is the purpose of this project, Yawar Project? To fight period poverty. And I'd like you to join me in this objective. How? First, we'll gather resources through a crowdfunding campaign to get menstrual supplies, ideally eco-friendly options that also allow us to fight waste production and in order to collaborate to local initiatives. Second, with collaboration of local organizations, provide menstrual management products accompanied by menstrual education workshops, virtual and in person, which will provide information about menstrual and integral healthcare, overthrowing the stigma and taboo around menstruation. What would be the contribution to Sustainable Development Goals? Especially SDG 3, good health and well-being, and SDG 5, gender equality. But beyond these two, the project also engages SDGs 1, 4, 10, 12, and 13. Join this cause because periods are cool. Period.